Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make a Cash App account without Social Security number. Start by opening your Cash App. When you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner. You will see a profile icon. Tap on it. After you tap on the profile icon, scroll down until you see the section called Security and Privacy. Tap on that. Inside this section, scroll again and look for Identity Verification. Tap on it. Cash App will ask you to verify your information. This is to help prevent fraud and protect your account. Now tap on Personal Info. This is where you start entering your details. First, enter your legal first name and your legal last name. Then tap Next. The next screen will ask for your date of birth. Enter the day, month and year. After that, tap Next again. Normally, the next step will ask you to enter your Social Security number. Cash App uses this to confirm your identity and keep your account secure. They do not use it to check your credit or anything else. If you have an SSN, it is best to enter it here. But if you don't have a Social Security number and still want to verify your Cash App account, there is another way. Go back to the home screen and again tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the section called Family. Tap on it. Here, you will have the option to create a sponsored account. A sponsored account lets you use Cash App through the help of a family member who already has a verified account. To do this, you need a family member who has registered and verified their own Cash App with their personal details. They will need to invite you to join Cash App as part of their family. Once you accept the invite, you can set up your own account using their sponsorship. Cash App allows this method as part of its family account features. This is currently the only way to verify and use Cash App without entering a Social Security number. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.